Have you ever had a negative thought? I know I did. I used to think I was stupid, unworthy, lonely, unloved. I was sad and fearful much of the time. Next, I learned how to feel those negative thoughts in my body. These thoughts created physical pain for me. Thoughts affect your health, your mind, your body, your learning, and most importantly, your actions that you take in life. Thinking positively changed how my body felt. When I think good thoughts like I am brilliant, I feel fantastic. Research shows that people who feel great spread joy, and that's what our world so needs is a lot of fun and joy. The more quickly we learn flexible thinking, the better off our whole society will be. My intention is for kids to learn this concept of thought flipping so that we can together change the world.